Boom. Now this is some magic, instant magic. You cover your ears and you recite Hum, and after you do that, listen to your breath as well. Can you not feel your power? Huh? That's hum. Look, we talk about changing our frequency, raising our frequency, right? How do you do that? By changing your rate of vibration. How do you do that? Through the breath. You do this especially, and again, we're doing what seems to be non-engaging, so very simple. This is really, really advanced stuff. Very simple to do. So you do this, but one other thing you can do in order to activate this power, more so, is to put the tip of your tongue up to the roof of your mouth. You know about this, right? Okay. I'd like you to try one more time, right? Put your ears over your hands over your ears so that you're creating a vacuum, of course, and you're intoning Hum with as much purity as possible. With the tip of your tongue touch the roof of your mouth. One more thing, you can direct the vibration in different parts of your brain by how you move your tongue. You see? So experience that. Play with that. And of course, listen to your breath afterwards, and you feel, you experience your power when you hear it like so vividly. So it gives you something more concrete to work with in your practice, right? Right?